Got cough, cold, and fever? These symptoms are usually caused by a viral infection, like the common cold or flu. Once the virus enters, your body starts fighting back, and that's when symptoms show up. Cough is your body's way of clearing mucus and irritants. Cold symptoms, like runny nose or sneezing, happen as your body flushes out the virus. Fever means your brain raises your body temperature to kill the virus faster. Most viral infections go away in 3 to 7 days. Just rest, hydrate, and take paracetamol if needed. And remember that antibiotics won't help, because viruses are not killed by them. But if your fever lasts more than 3 days, or you have trouble breathing, it's time to see a doctor. Stay informed, stay healthy, subscribe for more simple medical tips.